Take on Me. So breaking down this little intro here, let's start with the first part that's like, okay, what I'm doing there is I'm picking the bottom E string open 2 times. Then I'm going to the first fret of the B, and then the second fret of the G, and I pick the second fret of that G 2 times. So going slow. Then we can move on to the next part of the intro that sounds like this. So what I'm doing there is I'm going on the 3rd fret of the B string and I'm hitting it 3 times. Then I'm gonna move down to the bottom E string and I'm gonna be at the 2nd fret. I'm gonna pick it twice. Then we're gonna go 3 and then 5. So playing it slowly, it would sound like this. So now putting those first 2 parts together, playing it slowly. And then we've got this part right here. So to play that, we're gonna pick the bottom E string at the 3rd fret 3 times. Then we're gonna move up to the 3rd fret of the B string and pick it once. And then we're gonna move down to the 1st fret of the B string and pick it once. Then we're going to pick that bottom E string open twice. So playing it slowly. And then wrapping up the intro, we have this. So to play that, we're going to just pick open once on that bottom E string. Then we're gonna play the 3rd fret of the B string 2 times. Then open again on that bottom E. And then one more time on the 3rd fret of the B, just pick it once. So playing it slowly. So putting those last 2 parts together, playing it slowly. And then from there, the intro starts over. So putting it all together, playing it slowly would be like this. Moving on to the chords here, let's start with the verses. I'm gonna show you all of the chords, the strumming pattern, and then we'll put it all together. So our first chord is gonna be an A minor. Our next chord is gonna be a D. Then we're gonna play a G. And then we're gonna play a C. And then we're gonna switch up this C a little bit here. I'm gonna put my middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A, and then my ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. So the strumming pattern for this on the first 3 chords is just a down, down, up, up, down, up. Then once we get to the C, the strumming pattern switches just a little bit. It's gonna go down, down, up, down, down, up. And then we go back into that A minor with the down, down, up, down, up. So putting it all together here. Then the chord progression switches up a little bit at the end of the verses. Instead of playing a G, we're gonna play an E minor, and then we'll play the C and we'll just stay on that C. So it would go like this. Moving on to the chorus, it's all of the same chords, but we're gonna switch up the arrangement. So we're gonna go from a G to a D, to an E minor, to a C. And we can keep the same strumming pattern.